My father is in his 70s this year.
My baby girl is 14 months old.
Me? I'm not her father yet.
He used to an armyman for years, and later he chose to change career in order to be with family.
She's learning to speak and work, and she can call me dad now.
Products are like my children.
He has a strong and strict personality which has influenced me a lot. Integrity and responsibility are the precious quality I have learned from my father that helped me achieve in my workplace.
When I get home from work, my girl reaches out her arms and put around my neck. I really enjoy the hug every day. My tenderness is totally gone at that moment.
The prototypes are like babies. I accompany them step by step as they finally grow into well-formed, high-performance products. I'm very fulfilled in this progress.
We still live together and take care of each other.
My life has changed a lot after I became a father. She, my girl, is now the source of my inner strength.
Maybe in the future I will become a real dad. I'm looking forward to stay with my child. Excited about that day.
At this special moment, my biggest wish for him is he continues to be in a good health. I might really to say it, but from bottom of my heart, I love him.
The time with my girl is always happy and heartwarming. I love her so much. She is the most precious gift in my life.